Guess what? You're gonna have a little brother. You're gonna have a little brother when we get home. There's too many interesting things going on outside. So we're headed out to Mexico for 1 week, and then we pick up his actual brother, blood brother, 1 year younger, on our way home. We landed in Toronto from Mexico last night, and now we are waiting to pick up our puppy. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Jeez, look at his eye. Oh my god.
Thank you, mister.
Beautiful. Oh my god. Hi there. You're like, who the hell are you? Because now our flight got delayed by an hour, so we're leaving like after 4 now.
Yeah.
We'll be at the airport for like 4
We get
hours.
to like snuggle with puppy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think he likes daddy. Yeah.
Hi.
Little sausage.
Whole ass chin.
Oh man. No biting the ears. He
Go for my chin.
likes your fuzzy chin. Yeah. It's okay. Come on. You can put him down. I think he'll be fine.
What is that?
Oh, is that for you? Is that a brother?
Who is that? Someone who wants to play with you.
Hi, Theo. Hey.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey. He's growling at him.
No, it's okay. Yeah, he's small, hey? Name him, Theo. What should his name be? You don't know. They're having so much fun. He's just like a little pork chop. Mister? Good morning. Good morning, Nene. Yes. Good morning, Bean. Did you sleep at all? A little bit? Oh! The little wieners wanted to get up, I guess, at 2. You really just gotta force them back to bed. Hey. At least that's what I find. They want to play, but you gotta force them back to bed. Do you guys sleep on the couch? Hi. So this is Frankie. He is, you're probably 11 and a half weeks old now. Yeah. And Mr. Theodore is like 1.5 years. Hey. Good boy, Frankie. You're doing it! Yes, good boy! That was rough. So Theo actually got potty trained like really, really well. Surprisingly, I think it was when he was about 4 months, we were like, is he going to be potty trained? Like, it's not happening. He keeps like randomly peeing on the bed after we went outside. And then one day it just clicked. And he has had maybe 2 accidents since then. So we're really hoping that it's the same kind of case with Frankie. You want breakfast? Yeah? Hungry? Sit. You must just be ravenous. It's almost 8 o'clock. Fish. There you go. Hungry? Frankie! You guys eat the same food. Come on. Come on out, you little gremlin. Okay, that's not very nice. Wants to eat Theo's food, but they eat like the same food. Eat yours, okay? And after breakfast, we must immediately go back outside, right? Okay. Yeah. So Chase is getting ready for work. He's taking barbecue pulled chicken. And I'll make you a coffee. Oh, you want the chicken? No. 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 God, this drawer is such a mess. Okay, part of today's task is the snack drawer. No, it's not. My hair is bad. And my skin is bad. Everything is bad. I don't know where your green cup is.
That's fine. Just have that little blue one.
This one?
Yeah.
And then of course post-breakfast contains a lot of playing. Oh yeah. You're zoomed in on my face, I can tell. I went in at Walmart, I bought like 6 of these. Such a good price. And there's 8 grams of protein and it's almond milk. That's crazy. Or for 8 grams of protein and only 60 calories. Espresso. We both did the protein espresso. Chase, you love it, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's fucking
Delicious.
delicious, thank you. We were gonna go to the gym this morning, but I figured since Chase was up so early with the dogs and slept on the couch, he wouldn't want to, which is fair. I'm gonna go to the gym at noon with Sarah, which is ideal too because there's a bunch of Buff Bunny stuff that came in and they sent her a bunch of stuff too. So we're gonna try some out at the gym today, obviously. Very exciting, yes. And here's your coffee, sir. But yeah, I already washed the bedding, or I put the bedding in the wash because he peed on it last night. Yeah. The water resistant blanket that I bought for the bed, it should like fit the entire king size bed. Should be in today or tomorrow. So that'll be really, really nice. So if he has an accident, it's not like we have to wash the entire duvet and the entire duvet cover and dry it all, because that takes a really, really long time. So I figured if he's going to sleep in bed with us, which is the plan and what we've been doing for the past, week and a half, pretty much. Because we didn't want to have to night crate train him like we did with Theo, hey? Because we lost a lot of sleep. And Frankie's a screamer, so he would have just screamed like crazy in the crate by himself. We're in a group chat with the rest of Theo's litter, and some of the people did it this way with their puppy. Okay. And I would have never ever thought to do that, like to have a puppy in the bed straight out the gate, right? But he's had a few accidents.
Hello.
He's getting... Hello. Go get him. Go get him. But so far, you know, they absolutely love each other. It is probably the best decision that we've made. It's nice for him to actually have another puppy to play with, because Eki didn't really want to play with him, which is very, very, very fair. You were little and you were crazy. Need to go out, Frank? He's so vocal until he like actually needs to go outside. Eh? Are you sad because I was upstairs doing my hair? I did work on my computer for a couple hours and now I'm just getting ready. A lot better than I did this morning. I took out my like weft extensions, so now I'm just doing like clip-ins here and there when I want to, and I'm trying to figure out how to make my bangs look better. Clipped some like blonde pieces here and then darker throughout the back. It's actually not that bad. And truly, I don't know the last time I curled my hair was. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it wasn't too long ago, but I just got the itch to do it today. Now I'm probably going to be putting it in ponytail. And I'll probably shoot some Buff Bunny content. Like, this is the new Empire bra. I was trying it on because a lot of people don't like it, and Sarah didn't like it, and I was like, okay, am I gonna like it? I don't hate it. It's not my favorite, but so far it's not bad. And the boys have just been chilling on the couch. We went outside a few times. I basically just try to take Frankie out every half an hour or after every like decent nap that he has, because he's still, you know, he takes quite a lot of naps because he's a baby, and him and Theo have been playing a ton. So doing that, we've been able to avoid most accidents, but they still happen. And we make sure to like highly praise him when he does go to the bathroom outside, because that's what worked best with Theo. And he was potty trained. It was around 4 months when me and Chase were like looking at each other like, is he ever gonna get it? Is he ever gonna understand? Because he just kept having accidents, and we thought we would be like getting somewhere, and then it would just like keep happening. But then it's like it just clicked in his head, and he was pretty much potty trained. So we're hoping for the same kind of situation with Frankie, but honestly, who knows? They look good, but it's more likely than not going up in a pony. Yeah, because we're going to the gym. I'm going to the gym with Sarah. Just finishing up my protein dress. So this new color of the tumbler came out recently too. A girl to collab with someone for this one, and like a mustard yellow. This is like the truest brown color that we've seen so far. I like it a lot. I mean, I don't need any more cups. I keep like giving them away to friends and family and stuff, but this is a very nice like neutral. It's very pretty. So kind of a little backstory, because I feel like I'm not the best at including all information if people haven't been following me or like watching my Instagram stories for like a while. But we got Theo from this fantastic, just like wonderful, they love the breed so much. They want to keep them healthy, and like they're fantastic breeders. Like, it's more so if you're gonna get a puppy from a breeder, all dogs deserve loves and homes, basically. And we really wanted a wiener dog when we got Theodore, and we picked him up in Toronto. And when we got Theo, we still had Echo, who is like the love of my life forever. He's always gonna be my #1 baby favorite, and I'm gonna cry talking about it. But if you've been around, you know Echo Jean, and he passed away 8 months ago around. It was very sudden. We're thinking he had cancer. Oh, I'm getting so, it hurts really fucking bad. So after quite a while of not having 2 dogs in the house, you know, it was nice because Theo really got comfy and matured a lot. He didn't make accidents or anything like that. He was just a really good boy, and I wanted him to have a brother, basically. So when we heard that the same breeders, because I'm in their Facebook group, we stay in contact, we have like a chat with his litter. Basically, when we heard that they were having another litter, the exact same parents as little Theodore has, we said, you know, maybe we will get another one, because Dachshunds just pair so well together. And we ended up, yeah, we got Frankie not even 2 weeks ago. Naming him was a struggle, but he is a little goofball, and he's just all floppy. He's like a little piggy, and he loves to yap and growl. He's like an old man, basically, and he has his little teeny tiny, I'm gonna show them your teeth. He has these teeny tiny teeth. He loves to be held. Like, he's just chill. He just loves to just be along for the ride, you know? And he's still figuring things out, but I don't think, like, really, I've ever seen Theo so happy. He is so happy with another, like, puppy in the house. They play, they snuggle, they, like, share food like you saw this morning. They don't, like, get mad at each other, things like that. And it's so nice. So far having both of them it's been a very good experience. You know, we're used to having to potty train and cleaning up messes and
biting and all of that, hey? But all in all, we're really happy. When I do go to like the gym or go to town, because we live about 20 minutes outside of town, I put both of them in the crate together, and that has been working super, super well. We have like this tiny little camera that we can watch them on, and they basically just snuggle, and he barks a little bit. And I typically only try and be gone for like a maximum of 2.5 hours. I don't want to be gone longer than that. And we always play beforehand, so that's probably what we're gonna do right now, is I'm pretty much ready. We're gonna go outside, let them run around, go to the bathroom.
Okay, Snuggles, it's time to go in the crate for a little bit. We're nice and sleepy. Come on in, Frank. Theo. Very good.
Go. I do think I plan on getting them a bigger crate. I'm just waiting to find one right now on Marketplace. I give them this little bully stick to kind of share and chew on too.
Good boys.
They do have room. They're not like squished. So I am off to the gym, finally. She wasn't able to go till 1, so I ended up filming some stuff around here for the past hour instead of going an hour ago.
And we are home. I was gone for like 2.5 hours, so they were very good though. Hey, boys. Oh, snuggly. Okay, let's go outside. Hi, sweethearts.
Let's go outside. Then we have our little cookie jar right here.